Hello and welcome to the program once again. We are now going to the practice part of our today's video, and you can see it here. That's the yeah. Okay. You've got some phrasal verbs. That means passed away. The meaning is died, and do without means manage. Okay. Look forward to means wait for. Called off means cancel. Made of means created. Carried away means taken, lost in, or observed in. All right. Break out means spread. Run out, shorten. And put up with, tolerate. And keep up means maintain. Now let's use these words in these phrasal verbs in the sentences here. For example, don't smoke in the forest. Fires easily at this time of the year. So that means spread. And you can use here from the word spread, you can use the phrasal verbs. That's break out. I seeing my friends again. So I wait for my friends to see them again. So that means for wait for, you can say looking forward to. Or look forward to. I look forward to seeing my friends again. Number 3, I'm afraid. We have apple juice will in orange juice do. Okay, so in this case you see here run out. Okay, that means shorten. We are short of, okay, of the of apple juice. Will in orange juice do? Okay, your website has helped me a lot. The good work, to keep up the good work. Okay, that means to maintain the good work. Your website has helped me. A friend of mine has her wedding. Okay, that means cancel her wedding. So for cancel you can use called off. Okay, number 6, his mother can't his terrible behavior anymore. So the behavior is terrible and his mother can't tolerate. So if she can't tolerate, you can replace the word tolerate with put up with. Okay. Number 7 is an excuse for being late. Okay, she made up a whole story. She made up a whole story. That means she came up with a story. She created a story. That's here. This one. Number 8, I got by his enthusiasms. That means I was absorbed. I was completely taken. All right, carried away. Carried away means taken. I was lost in. All right, and that means by his enthusiasm. He impressed me. All right, his enthusiasm impressed me. I just can't do without my mobile phone. I can't manage my life without my mobile phone. I always keep it with me. All right, so that's do without. Okay, do without, that means manage. I can't manage my life. I can't manage without mobile phone. All right. Another one is she was very sad because her father died last week. So died, we say passed away. We can use this phrasal verbs. All right. Okay. These were some of the information which I wanted to share with you. And this exercise is in line with the previous video. You should watch the first phrasal verb video and then this one. This is the practice part. The first one was the understanding what really the phrasal verbs are. Okay, guys, thank you very much for listening to my conversation with you, all right? And at the same time watching this video. This will help you a lot. And if you understand, for example, phrasal verbs, this will add variety and fluency and at the same time accuracy and naturalness to your spoken and written communication. However, you have to use it in spoken a lot, no problem. But in written, please be limited. Okay? All right? Okay. Thank you very much. You can see the answers here for yourself. You can read them. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.